Hi, this is Hugh Cushing from WhiteSource Software, and this is another in our series of videos describing our Bitbucket integration. In this one, we're going to show you how to find out which WhiteSource vulnerabilities applied to which commits. Great, so you may be used to, hey, if you want to see the problems that WhiteSource has discovered, you can obviously see a summary here, but more often you'll click on this WhiteSource integration tab. Okay, and what this shows you is the current state of WhiteSource's scan, the latest results of the WhiteSource scan. You'll see here we have a bunch of security vulnerabilities and a couple of license policy violations, as we've described in other videos. But let's say you were curious about a previous commit, or a history of who fixed something or who brought it in. If you go to the commits tab within the Bitbucket repo, you'll see that there are little build icons off to the right here, okay? And so you can go to any commit on any branch and go to the build icon for that commit and click on it. Click on that icon itself, and that's going to bring you to the results for that commit, right? And you can actually type, if you want to do several, you can actually put the commit shorthand GUID in, or identifier right here and go to that particular one. So in this case, for this particular commit, the configuration change ran, which meant that our .whitesource file was modified in some way. Then a scan was kicked off based on those new settings. And the license check passed, which means we didn't find any licenses that you were not supposed to, any open source libraries that were of license types that you're not supposed to be using according to your organization or product settings. But we did find some security problems. And if you click here, then you can get a list of the security vulnerabilities for that commit. So these will be here whether or not they had been fixed in later commits. So you can see exactly what point of time you had problems in your repository.
Thank you for watching this presentation, and if you have further questions, please reach out to your WhiteSource representative, or you can visit our website for more information.